step into the Ram 2020 1500 Bighorn. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds, 3.92 rear axle ratio, engine, 5.7 LV8 HEM AMDS VVT included, active noise control system 180 amp alternator heavy-duty engine cooling gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds dual rear exhaust with bright tips Hemi badge, tires, 275/55 A20 all-season LRR, diesel gray black deluxe cloth bucket seats included, power 8-way driver seat bucket seats manual adjust 4-way front passenger seat full-length floor console power 4-way driver lumbar adjust, quick order package 25Z Bighorn included, engine 5.7 LV8 HEM AMDS VV